In today's world, you're vulnerable from people all around the globe. And what they're doing is they're patient, which is different than they were 3 years ago. They're just slowly finding more and more information. So when they actually perform the attack, it's debilitating. It's not a bunch of encrypted files. It's the backups are wiped out, the virtual infrastructure is gone, the network no longer functions. When you see the forensics of this type of a situation, you can see how careful they were and how long they've been there, and it's frightening. Making sure you have the right things in place to protect whatever's on the inside of your network becomes a continual challenge.
CVM offers a full suite of services to our customers that ranges from being simply an advisor in designing a particular project or solution to a regular full-time assistant to their IT team.
We have customers in manufacturing, finance, education, pharmaceuticals, food service, all different areas.
Our customers trust that we have their best interest at heart, and that when we advise them on things, it's that we are advising them as mentors and not just as salespeople.
It's just literally about saying, hey, you have a need, and this technology is the right solution for that need.
I've been around a while. I've seen lots of different types of services and security packages. I have never seen anything like the Clean Internet service, and it has provided the comfort to know that we've added another layer of protection to the networks.
By adding the Clean Internet service, we have an umbrella that controls that one pipe that serves all of those other security services. And the best part about it is you can't trip it up. It's keeping track of all the threat actors on the internet, both from IP addresses as well as URLs as well as domains, and it's deciding whether or not that threat is substantial enough to say, no go, it's blocked. It's not coming in and you can't connect to it going out.
I was shocked when I saw the first set of reports from Clean Internet. I always believed that firewalls do a very good job at blocking things from the internet. What I didn't realize is the amount of traffic and the level of sophistication of the new sets of attacks on the internet. Because of the number of feeds that it uses and the method that it uses to watch that traffic, Clean Internet has a much faster response rate. It is far superior, I think, in terms of anything else we have ever come across.
We have embraced the centripetal Clean Internet service as one of the most valuable products that we can actually suggest that our customers take a look at. Anyone can use the centripetal Clean Internet service. After you see it work, you can't imagine living without it.